Centurion Accommodation REIT just launched its IPO at 88 cents a unit. This is set to be the second biggest SGX listing of the year. I'm Iggy, the investor in Iguana, and here's what you need to know in under 3 minutes. Most Singaporeans know REITs as shopping malls, offices, or industrial parks. But Centurion is different. It's about worker housing and student accommodation. That's right, dormitories and hostels, not luxury malls. Sounds boring? That's exactly the point. These assets are built for steady long-term demand. Here's the catch. Many investors look at the REIT price and think 88 cents must be cheap. But price doesn't equal value. What matters is the cash flow, stability, and growth prospects. So, let's break it down. 1. Purpose-built worker accommodation. In Singapore, demand for dorms is resilient. Tenants are sticky. Occupancy rates for Centurion's PBWA assets averaged above 97% in the last 3 years. Rental growth? A compound 26% per year. That's massive. 2. Student housing abroad. 8 assets in the UK, 1 in Australia. With international students flooding in, occupancy there sits around 94%. Rents grew about 11% annually in the past 3 years. That's steady and defensive. 3. Stability in Singapore dollars. Unlike some REITs listing in US dollars, this one pays distributions in Sing dollars. For local investors, that means fewer FX headaches. Combine this with a Singapore-heavy portfolio, about 2/3 in value and 3/4 in income, and you've got a buffer of predictability. So what's Iggy's take? If you're hunting for stable yield with growth potential, this REIT stands out. But remember the flip side. Dorms and student housing aren't as glamorous as grade A offices, so capital gains may be slower. This play is about cash flow, not quick wins. Here's your actionable thought. Don't chase IPOs just because they're fresh on the market. Instead, ask one question. Does the income source make sense for the next 5 to 10 years? With Centurion Accommodation REIT, the answer depends on whether you believe Singapore's need for workers' housing